Good morning, everyone. This is Jim Okrzycki, and I decided to record a brief tutorial on how to work with images and YouTube videos in a Word document. So what I have here is a movie review written for an assignment by a student at the College of DuPage, and he decided the best way to illustrate and work in about his movie review was to insert some images and video clips from the movie. So what you see here is an image about the poster. Now when I click on it, you will see that the box will activate the image. And to the right, you have your layout options. Now this is in the document in line with text. You have several options. You can go through, tight, square, top and bottom, behind the text, in front of text. So this one is holding on to tight, which means that it's going to work right next to the text. You can move this and see how the text will move across the page. So you can move this from left to right. All right. If you want to alternate your styles, you can obviously see how the green lines activate. So it lets you know exactly how to align your image or video with the text. It's very easy. It works that way for all aspects if you decide to choose tight. Here I have tight is selected here. So you just simply move this, and then you'll notice how the video will move in line with the text, and the text will wrap right around it. As you can see, this presents a very finished look and presentation. Now what I did up here is once again I inserted a Beatles video. As you probably notice, this Beatles video just doesn't fit the the subject of the paper. But if once again I click on the text wrap, I decided to select tight, the particular type of text wrapping that you use. It moves it with text. And then here, once you click on it, you activate all the corners and the edges of the particular video or image. And you can size this either way, however you want it to fit in with the text that you are using to describe the particular video or image. Now it's important to insert your videos or images exactly where you are talking about them. You want them in that paragraph. Now as you see here, I added an additional image for Ex Machina. And I can simply grab this and move this according to where I want to put this in the text. Now as I'm moving this, and you can see how the text is wrapping around this particular image. So let's say I want to drop this one. As you can see, the green margin line activates, and I'll just drop that there. Click outside the image, and it is moved to that particular point in the paragraph where I want it to go. Now if I want to add another, let's say I want to add another image, I could click a insertion spot, which is right over here. Okay, I would go to the Insert tab, and then I would want to look for Online Pictures. So if you click Online Pictures, you can look through Bing search if you want to do that. Mine will come up with Bing because of my Microsoft Office. And let's say you want to, one of my favorites is Jimmy Buffett. So click on the search tab. I'm looking for, okay, here we go. This will do. Insert. Simple. All I did was put the image in at the insertion point here. Now you see it's been resized, and it's just been inserted right where, and you have all this gapping here. So what I want to do is I want to click tight again, and then it's moved it all the way up to here. I want to size this And once again, I'm going to drag this and move it. Sometimes it really doesn't matter exactly where you want to insert your image. You can always move it around. When you're inserting images or videos, you can just get them on the page wherever you want them and then move them around accordingly. So there is how an image is uploaded into a Word doc. Consequently, if you want to add a video, you would click on the Insert tab, look for Online Videos in the Insert tab, and Bing gives you, I should say Office gives you, or Word, 3 ways to do that. The easiest way is for you to search YouTube. So if I want Jimmy Buffett again, it'll get me a list of his videos. Some of these might even be audio files. All right, so I'll click on one, click on Insert, and then once again, you'll see how the image just, or I should say the video just uploads into your Word doc. So you can resize this to where it'll fit. The text wrapping tab opens, and I want to click on Typed. All right, close that, and then I'm going to grab this and move this accordingly. All right, so if you don't want to listen to my voice, you can go out into YouTube and find all sorts of videos out there to teach you how to insert, text wrap, and work with images and YouTube videos. So if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.